Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Michel is a charming town located in the beautiful region of Lanaudière, Quebec. This peaceful town sits just north of Montreal, and it's known for its natural beauty and welcoming atmosphere. Saint-Michel was first established in the early 19th century, and it's rich in history. The area has deep agricultural roots, with farming playing a key role in the local economy for generations. Today, you'll still find large stretches of farmland, as well as forests and lakes that make this town a peaceful getaway. The town is named after Saint Michael, the Archangel, and reflects its Catholic heritage with several historical churches and religious landmarks. One of the town's most notable places is the Saint-Michel Church, a beautiful structure that has stood for over a century. Saint-Michel is surrounded by nature, with plenty of outdoor spaces to enjoy. The nearby forests and trails offer great opportunities for hiking, cycling, and exploring the outdoors. If you're into water activities, the town is close to the L'Assomption River, which is perfect for canoeing and fishing. Whether you're exploring its rich history, enjoying the natural beauty, or just passing through, Saint-Michel is a wonderful place to visit. It's peaceful, picturesque, and full of small-town charm.
Thanks for watching!